Alright, this is a hello YouTubers. It's me, CeelingFan77 here, known as Austin Vance here again. What I want to show you today is my 44-inch Harbor Breeze ceiling fan that I got it hooked up. My stepdad David, we hooked it up with the Christmas light cord. We put the black and white to the fan wire. We already hooked it up. It's got paint, yellow, blue, green, orange, and it goes pretty fast. It blows the cold air. So yeah, we're gonna start with low speed. Judging by the piece of tape that I put on the blade bracket so it can hold, that way it won't fall off. So yeah, this is low speed. We're gonna go to medium now. Okay, that's medium. Low, off, high. And this thing, let me tell you about this Harbor Breeze. Now this thing blows a crap load of air. It blows a crap load of air. You see. Alright. Now we're going to do spin down, which stops. So yeah, thanks for watching.